Alright, hi everybody. So we got a whitetail that was harvested, and we're going to skin out the head in preparation of a European mount. Beautiful animal. I recommend using a blade, one of the razors. Makes it a lot easier to cut into the details in the different areas. Alright, got down to the lower jaw. Now, I'm going to take that lower jaw off. Yeah, it is getting a little dull. Find a little soft spot right behind the skull. Alright, so got it all off. I mean, this got a little dull, but it's clean 3 deer so far. So Weatherford knives, great. Here's another one too that I use especially for cutting meat and the anus out. Beautiful handmade knives. Thanks. Have a good one.